to achieve the different levels of your vehicle, you will have to get a can of cooling liquid, washer pump liquid, engine oil and brake fluid. You might like to choose smaller size containers that you can easily store in the trunk of your car. You will find all the products you will need for the operation in the video description. A car is a complex combination of many different components brought together into one single system. You probably don't pay much attention since it requires little or no care. But it is important to understand that even the slightest malfunction can lead on to costly complications very quickly. Checking levels and ensuring you carry out just a few simple checks can help avoid or even prevent hugely expensive repair work. To check the levels, ensure that the engine is cold and the car is flat on the ground. Take the oil gauge out of its sheath. Once removed, wipe it off using a paper towel. Put it back in, then take it out once more. The end of the gauge is stripped. Look at the edge of the gauge. It is this part which shows the oil level in the engine. This is considered to be perfect when it is in the middle of this part. However, be careful never to go over the maximum level. You risk breaking the engine. If you notice that the level is low, open the filling cap and add a little oil. We're just talking about a few centiliters. No more. After wiping down the gauge, put it back into the sheath to check the level again. Repeat the filling process until you reach the perfect level. It is very important to check this level frequently. Coolant is just as important as oil in terms of engine function. It is vital. Open the expansion tank cap and fill it to the maximum level. Be careful never to go over the maximum level indicated. And never carry out this process when the engine is hot. The brake fluid tank also contains level indicators. When the level goes down, this leads to wear and tear on the brake rivets. Wear is compensated for by the pistons, which move further out and thus increasing the brake circuit. This allows it to include more fluid, and as a result, there's a reduction in the brake fluid level. If the level is below the maximum, correct it by adding liquid. Make the most of this opportunity to add washer pump fluid to the reservoir, which helps keep the windscreen and rear window clean. It is an important element of safety to ensure a clean and unobstructed field of vision. This operation must be done regularly in order to keep your car in good working order. Operation completed.